Have you ever felt like your money just disappears at the end of the month, leaving you wondering where it all went, and you have no idea where it went? You're not alone. Many people face this same issue every single month. Have you ever wondered why some people thrive financially while others are always struggling? It seems like a mystery, doesn't it? The answer lies in something we were never taught in school: financial education. This crucial knowledge can make all the difference. And that's exactly what I'll bring to you on this channel. Practical, actionable advice that you can start using right away. Here, you'll learn in a simple, direct, and no BS way how to take control of your money, escape the debt cycle, and finally, breathe easy. And start building real wealth. Imagine the freedom and security that comes with financial stability. And the best part? You don't need a huge salary or magic formulas, just the right knowledge and a bit of discipline. So, if you want to finally take control of your financial life, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Don't miss out on this opportunity, because what I'm about to teach you can change your life. Get ready to transform your financial future. Now, let me quickly explain what you can expect from our videos. Here we'll cover a wide range of topics designed to help you take control of your financial future. How to organize your finances once and for all, without complicated spreadsheets or crazy calculations. We'll show you practical tips and tools that make managing your money easier than ever. How to get out of debt in a smart way, without panicking or falling into financial traps. Learn effective strategies to pay off your debt faster and regain financial freedom. How to save money without giving up the things you love by learning to spend strategically. Discover ways to enjoy life while still putting money aside for the future. How to start investing from scratch, even if you've never thought about it before, and make your money work for you. We'll break down complex concepts into simple steps. Tips and strategies to increase your income, whether by creating new revenue streams or optimizing what you already earn. We'll explore various ways to boost your earnings. The goal here is simple: to help you earn, save, and multiply your money in the most efficient way possible. We want to empower you to achieve financial success. And the best part? Everything I teach here can be applied by anyone, regardless of age or how much money they make today. Join us on this journey to financial freedom and prosperity. Now, you might be asking yourself, but why do I need to learn all this? I just want to pay my bills and live comfortably. And the answer is simple. If you don't control your money, someone else will. Banks, credit card companies, and lenders know exactly how to profit from people's lack of financial knowledge. The truth is, you don't need to be a math genius to have a healthy financial life. But if you continue ignoring this subject, you'll always rely on others to make decisions about your money. And I don't want that for you. I want you to have financial freedom, to achieve your dreams without worrying about whether you have enough money or not. And that's exactly what I'll teach you here. To prove that you can take the first step today, here's a challenge for you. Take a piece of paper or open your phone's notes app and write down exactly where every cent of your money went last month. Be as detailed as possible, noting down even the smallest expenses like coffee or snacks. You'll be shocked at how much money disappears on small, unnoticed expenses. These little costs can add up quickly, without you even realizing it. This is the first step to changing your financial life. Getting clarity on where your money is going. Once you have this clarity, you can start making informed decisions about your spending. And if you want to learn what to do next, stay tuned, because in the upcoming videos, I'll show you a practical method to organize your finances and start investing safely. We'll cover everything from budgeting to choosing the right investment options. Now, if this video made sense to you, Hit the like button because it helps me bring you even more valuable content. Your support means a lot and motivates me to keep creating helpful videos. And of course, subscribe and turn on the notifications so you don't miss a single new video. This way, you'll be the first to know when new content is available. Welcome to your new journey toward financial freedom. I'll see you in the next video. And thank you for watching. More videos coming soon, and see you next time, my friends.